Yeah. What's up, gas? Looks like my lens is a little scratched. Or smudged. Oh, hi, I'm Stephen. This is Cody. Say hi, Cody.
Hi.
We're trying to make videos of our cars, but as you can see, we're in the middle of a town, and there's a lot of cops, a lot of kids at parks. So I don't know what to do. I guess for now, we can just rev our engines for you. Here's Cody's. Yeah. If you can't hear him, it's a 3-inch MagnaFlow pipe that's rusted out. Aftermarket fuel injectors, stock really. And a throttle body spacer. And that's about it. Ooh, yeah. Sounds nice, don't it? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, well, if you can't notice, I got a Cobalt. Got a Mario. Hi, Mario. Hey, Mario. Ah! That was Mario, by the way, if you don't know. If you don't know that, then you just don't need to watch my video. Anyways, I got a Cobalt. It's got gold rims, if you can't tell. And I pretty much have a stock exhaust. The only bad part is my catalytic converter is all clogged up and such. So I had to open it. Oh, look at B. Look at that. Where'd it go? See the B? See the B? It's a B! Yay! It's a B! And back to me. B, right there. Somewhere. B.
Oh,
or
that's it.
B! Anyways, back to me. I got a Cobalt. It's 2006. Exhaust sucks. I think it sounds okay. Decent. Here you go. Yeah, that's about it. But I guess I'm gonna go ahead and say bye, because we're at a convenience store, and they're probably gonna call the cops any minute. So, bye. Say bye, Cody.
Bye, everybody.